guys, thanks for tuning in. It's Nikki with Lifestylediyw, and I am going to show you how to create this amazing green box from that old Valentine's Day love box that I created in February. So here we go. All I literally did was change out the white rose flowers as you see me doing here. And remember, I didn't get those rose flowers from Dollar Tree. I got them from another discount store. So I literally just took them out the box one by one. Yes, it was a little bit daunting and hard, but I removed all the stems, all the flowers from that styrofoam, and I literally replaced those roses with some greenery from Dollar Tree. Now that makes this an entire Dollar Tree DIY because the box was created from a cardboard, the mirrors and the bling wrap is from Dollar Tree as well. So I have some onion grass from Dollar Tree. I picked up a few bundles. Should have picked up more. I also picked up the spider plant greenery and a few other little greeneries that I had around the house that I'm going to fill in the box with. Now, all I did was literally bend the stem a little bit, and I realized it was too long for the actual box and the styrofoam squares. So I had to actually clip off 2 levels at the bottom, and this is after I've already put them inside the styrofoam, and you see how short the box is. Now what I actually did was I added a square piece of cardboard, which you really can't see that. I added a piece of cardboard as you see in it, and then all I did was add a piece, just a few bunches of other little green flowers. I pulled it out, and this is exactly what you get here. I added some loose grass moss on the top of that cardboard to cover it up, and that's mainly it. I really didn't do anything spectacular. I had that leftover piece of cardboard from something else, and I just folded it inside of the square box that I made just to give it a better base, so I wouldn't have to glue anything. I used no glue. I used no hot glue gun or anything, and that was pretty much it, you guys. I made another centerpiece out of the same rose bling box that I have for Valentine's Day. Thank you for watching. Tree Diy Decor, Lifestyle DIYW.